Then Ashas bin Qais came to us and inquired, "What was Abu Abdur Rahman telling you?" Abu Wail says, "What he had said we told him. Then he said, he spoke the truth. And the fact is that this verse has been revealed about me, for by Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, I had a dispute with a man over a well. We submitted our dispute to Allah's Apostle Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. So Allah's Apostle Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam said, 'Bring a witness or he will take an oath.' I submitted, he will not hesitate in taking an oath. So Allah's Apostle Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam said, 'Whosoever takes an oath owing to which he stands entitled to a wealth, but he has taken a false oath, will meet Allah Jalla Jalaluhu in a state that he Jalla Jalaluhu will be displeased with him.' So Allah Jalla Jalaluhu endorsed it, and then he recited this verse, 'Those who accept mean price in exchange for their covenant with Allah and their oaths.' Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 2516.